So the other day that I went to Michael's, I did a shop with me video. I didn't even show what I ended up hauling because in the comments some of you guys said that the stuff wasn't on sale at your store, so I didn't even bother to like share it. But when I was there, I did find some 80% off Easter. So I found a couple of these that are really cute. They were only $2. So I wanted to go to find some little black beads that I can make some bumblebee stuff, because I still want to do my bumblebee project that I had in mind. So I went to Hobby Lobby. So this is going to be a Hobby Lobby haul of what I got. So I ended up finding these really cute bumblebee little Ziploc bags. They're in the party section. They were only $2. And in the party section, they had these that are 5x7. And you get 25 bags for 99 cents. So that's really good. I'm so happy that they have like so much packaging stuff there. And then I needed some tiny stars. I think they have them this year in the 4th of July, the like little wood cutouts, but I had some in my stash from last year, so I painted those, and I'm going to put rhinestones on those, and then I wanted to use these tiny little stars for those little wood cutouts, and this was 50% off today, so it was only $1 for that one. And even though last time I was there, I checked the clearance, of course I had to go and stop and check again. And I actually found these little picks in there that are really cute. So they only came out to $1 for each. Like this one has beads. So I am going to try to pop these off just so I could use it for like a crafting instead. So there's like glue in here. So I gotta see if I can easily pop these off. I've popped them off before, the Valentine's Day ones. So I'm hoping that these will be just as easy, but yeah, they actually glued them this year, where I don't remember them being glued in the past, because it's just easy to take them out last time. So I'm gonna have to play with that and see if I can get those out. And then from the clearance, Easter is 90% off. So these say Easter right here. So 69 cents for those. And then I saw these really cute little stamps, and I can't remember if I had these or not, so it was kind of like a panic buy because I wasn't 100% sure, and they were only $2.50. So I'm like, let me snatch them up now, because I do have a short that I will be posting as well, where I literally show in the store a different stamp set was $3.99 and the new price is $5.99. So I was afraid that if I came home, looked, and saw if I didn't have these, that they might go up. So I just went ahead and grabbed that one because I really wanted that. So like I said, and supposedly I went looking for black beads, right? And then I got a bunch of other stuff. So here are the black beads here. These are 16mm beads, and Bead Design Co. is half off. So these were only $1. And I think I got 2 of those, and then I ended up finding a black 8mm as well. Let me see. That one's the 6. Oh, must be in another bag. So I'll keep looking. Like I said, jewelry shop is half off. So I thought this would be cute to put in a sequence mix. I just thought it was really pretty, and they're pretty small. And then also if you're doing like a little mermaid or any kind of like ocean theme, I thought these would be really pretty. They kind of look like bubbles, or maybe like a rubber ducky. So I thought those were cute. Somebody's doing a birthday challenge. It's Your Crafty Bestie Bethany, I think is her channel name. So I want to enter. So I thought this was really cute to pick up. It was from the party section. It was only $1. You could definitely take it off. It is a pin, but I'm thinking about taking it off and just like using it and maybe making like a card or something out of it. So I'm going to play with that and see what I come up with there. Oh, and for my bumblebee project, these little cupcake picks were 99 cents. So I thought those were really cute. And then I just thought this ring was really pretty. It's only $2. And I'm hoping it'll fit my chubby little fingers here. I thought it was really pretty. I used to get these all the time when I would go to Mexico, but I don't really go that often anymore. I just really don't like waiting in line. Oh, cute. So yeah, I used to get rings and bracelets and necklaces all the time. So it kind of just reminded me of like my childhood when we used to go like all the time. And then they had this little piggy. Like, how could I not get this little piggy? Oh, his face is a little dirty. So he's like a velvety. I thought he was so stinking cute. And Fairy Tale was half off this week. So what was that? Like $2.25. And he is like so chunky and so cute. If you're doing like a fruit swap or a summer swap, I think he'd be absolutely adorable and really cute. So I just had to get him for Sunny because Sunny loves pigs. So I had to get that for my boy. Okay, this one. I was looking the other day at Walmart for a storage case. And I can't remember how much they were anymore. I think they were $5. But they were empty, right? So this one was $5. But you get all this little goodiness inside. So I want to like get a better look at what's in here. So we're going to open this up. So these have been at my store on clearance for a while. I even did like a shop with me video where I showed them. And I've just left it there. Because I'm like, I don't need all this like little stuff in here. It's fine. But like I said, I was looking for storage containers. And I'm like, okay, if it's $5 for an empty one, why would I not go buy the one with the wood? And I can figure out how to use this stuff or give it away or something. So I ended up buying, I think 2 of these. Yeah, I got 2 of these because I'm like, I need the case anyways. So we have this little spool right here. I can definitely put some ribbon samples on there and paint those. Okay, these are like wheels or something. I don't know what I'm going to do with these. Will these fit in there? No, it doesn't fit. Maybe. Oh, that might fit. Okay, so now I gotta think about what can I do with these, because it will fit. Nope, that side doesn't fit now. Okay, I might have to play with that. Oh, okay. What about sending out like a swap or something? I'm wanting to send washi. I can paint these and put the washi on here. So instead of using it like, I thought it was meant to be like a car wheel, I could put washi or ribbon on here and then send this out as the sample. Okay, so I got plenty of those because I can make a couple of those. Oh, with these, I can also die cut like a banner and then hang it and decorate it and paint these. We have stars. That's easy to use for 4th of July coming up. We have some round beads. Oh, we can paint these and put little faces like this one. So we can paint and decorate those. Some more little stars, perfect for 4th of July. The squares, I have no idea. There's 2 different size squares. If you guys see anything and can think of what I could use it for, please let me know. Little hearts we can paint, maybe put a flower. These one we would just probably have to paint. I think it's going to be too small to like try to paint a face on. Oh, look, I have little eggs over here. I can get my Easter napkin and like decoupage this. So we can use that. This is a little vase. I could probably make some paper flowers and make it look like a little vase holding flowers for like a dollhouse. This looks like a beehive. So paint it yellow and then paint black in between all these little ridges, like a little beehive. That'd be cute. Oh wait, here's another pot. Oh, doing like kind of like a dresser thing, or like creating a box and then putting this as the feet of like, say you do like a dresser, like little pulls, and then putting this at the bottom of the dresser so it looks like little feet of a dresser. Oh yeah, I could totally use it for that as well. And then we have circles. Those 2 are the same size. So there's 2 compartments here. Circle, same size. And then some more hearts here. You can always do something like this where paint the hearts and then like glue one on top of each other. And then use it as an embellishment. So that's cute. So if you think of anything else that I can use with this stuff, definitely let me know. I'm always excited to hear your guys' idea. So let's see, what else did I get? Oh, before, I do have a tutorial on my channel of where I made little like soldiers at Christmas time, And these discs are what I used for like the feet, but I had found them at Michael's, and Michael's doesn't sell them anymore, at least I haven't seen them. So when I saw these today, I'm like, okay, I need to pick those up because I could definitely make some more of my little soldiers. So I got that one. Last week I picked up this colored spool. I think it was blue and green. So this week I got black because, like I said, I want to use some of this stuff. So I was thinking doing like Halloween out of the orange. So I got the black spool today. Oh, see, I got black of these clay beads that match, so I can do like the bumblebee. So do black and yellow together. This was half off, so those were only $2. Here's red. So I just like picking this up. They're $1.50, so you know it's just easy for me to go ahead and grab. They're pretty affordable just to kind of space it out, and I use these a lot with my bead wire wrapping. And I did just do a video on how to use the spool of wires. Oh, like here is the other one. This is the 8mm black beads. Again, they were half off, so only $1 for those. Then I did get seed beads, and the seed beads are 50% off this week. So these glow in the dark. I never paid attention before that these glow in the dark. So I thought these would be good to use with this green. Or I can even do maybe with the purple, because I like doing green and purple, orange and black for Halloween. But I think it'd be really good with the green. I think that'd be really cool. So I got these. Oh, I should have got some gold ones too. That way I could do some of the green with gold for St. Patrick's Day and just have it in my stash and ready to go for next year. Oh, man. Okay, I might go back tomorrow. Because tomorrow's, well, let's see. When I put this out, it'll be Saturday. So I'll go out back on Saturday and get some gold. So this was half off, and this was $6.50 full price. And then I got black, so I can use it with the orange here. This was $2 on sale, and these are like a matte. So they're not shiny. Then I got this set right here because it just had like a mix of colors, and I thought it was pretty cool. So there's some like red, some green, some blue, some purple, some clear, and then this is like a clear with pink. So I thought that was pretty interesting that I had a whole mix of colors in here. So that one was $4 full price, but like I said, it's half off this week. So and that's my little haul for right now. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. And let me know if you guys have any suggestions on how to use these little wood pieces. All right, bye guys.